Hey, this is Jesse from Funtown RV. The first thing I wanted to confirm is it does have the pull-out storage tray that you were asking about right there. And I'll make sure the other ones that we pull do have as well, but I'm pretty sure they're all spec'd out about the same. Like you said, don't go over too much of this outside stuff. Just get straight to the point on the interiors. Very spacious. And that microwave also has the convection option on it. Plenty of counter space here. Drawers. Plenty of space there. Cabinetry, trash can. Going here, you have some pop-ups for 12 volts and USB. Same thing on that side. You have the big can cook a turkey oven. 4-burner stovetop on a nice island in here. Plenty of cabinetry space, coffee bar, air fryer, big residential refrigerator. And then same thing on the other side, whatever appliances. Over here, you do have a washer or a dishwasher. It won't open up, it's locked on me. And then this is kind of your kitchen sink. Right there. And then it's got the bar setting down here with two stools where you could eat, watch TV, still see the TV just fine. Right here you have your recliner seats, and then you're gonna have a couch right here, and this one's optioned with the desk. For this one, you will have, excuse me, I just had a tendon surgery, but you have the pull-out bed right there, along with the reclining seats. Nice fireplace, good cabinetry space up top there. Sound bar, cabinetry above the desk, plenty of drawers around the desk. Let's go back in here. And here's the restroom. You got 2 sinks, toilet, good size shower. As you can see, here's me. I'm 6'2", 260. I can fit in it just fine. Plenty of space in here. Going into the bedroom. Couple little nightstand areas right there with plugins. Also right there. And you have your drawer space down here. Also some night lights if you enjoy, reading at night, whatever. And then that's going to be some of your storage space for under the bed. Entertainment system. Plenty of drawer space. Plenty of cabinetry. Open up here, should be your washer and dryer. It's got the washer and dryer connection. And then closet hanging space, the vacuum, drawers down there, has a little hamper in it. And then I'll go through all kind of the cabinetry space just so you can see how much there is. They are about to pick this thing up. It was closed up, so if you feel like I'm rushing you, I kind of have to. Nice little hamper space down there. reach your piping, all your drawers. You got 6 of them. And again, little trash can, and can reach some of your piping down there. Right here, just a little medicine cabinet. Same on the other side. You got plugins. It's got the nice ceiling fan in here. Little coat rack up here. Your control panel will be inside here. See what lights I turn on. So this will control your lights. See kitchen lights right here. And then if I get to the home page, let me turn power on. Well, the screen's not wanting to light up for me. Anyhow, this is how you'll control all your slide mechanisms, everything like that. It does have the smart system, so you can hook it up to your phone. You can slide your slides in through your phone. That way you're actually outside. So say if you're in an area where there's trees, something like that, you know, you can be outside opening the slides and visually seeing that you're not going to hit a tree. Just one last little walkthrough. And we do have a different Forest River on the floor if you just want to see the quality of it. I mean, they are built different. You can feel it when you walk in. One nice thing I like this, it has this big Ventafan right above the cooktop. So there you have it. That's the Forest River front kitchen. If there's any questions that you have about it, I can dig into it, figure out anything you need to know. I did have to rush through it because I had this thing closed up for the people to come pick up. They were actually draining the tanks as I came out here. So, talk to you soon.